A jumping jack, also known as a star jump and called a side-straddle hop in the US military, is a physical jumping exercise performed by jumping to a position with the legs spread wide and the hands going overhead, sometimes in a clap, and then returning to a position with the feet together and the arms at the sides. This is the starting position. Step forward about 2 feet with your right foot, and plant it firmly on the floor. Bend both knees to create two 90-degree angles with your legs. Your chest should be upright and your torso should be slightly forward so that your back is flat and not arched around it forward. Straight ahead, open your chest, and engage your core muscles. Begin by bringing your right knee toward your chest, slightly above waist level. Simultaneously, move your left hand up in a pumping motion. The squat is one of the best exercises to tone legs. It also sculpts the butt, hips, and abs. Squats are ideal if you have back problems. Since they're done while standing up and without extra weight, they won't strain the back. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Step to the side with your right leg and touch the right foot with your left hand. Return to the starting position and repeat the movement with the left leg. The jump squat is a great exercise for toning the derriere, and when you add a jump, the move becomes more effective. Stand up with your legs little wider than your hips, touch your right hand to the side of your head. Guide your head to the left until you feel a stretch along the right waist and shoulder. With your left foot, take one large step backward. Bend both knees about 90 degrees, keeping your shoulders over your hips and front knee behind your front toes. Press into your front heel, and squeeze your butt and thighs to return to starting position. Repeat on the opposite side and continue to alternate. To do a one-leg lift, begin with your weight on the right leg and touch toe. Tip up the hips to bring the torso parallel to the floor while lifting the left leg straight up. Lower the left leg and bring the knee up into a hop. Repeat for 30 seconds and switch sides. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands on your hips. This is the starting position. Step forward about 2 feet with your right foot, and plant it firmly on the floor. Bend both knees to create two 90-degree angles with your legs. Your chest should be upright and your torso should be slightly forward so that your back is flat and not arched around it forward. Your right quad should be parallel to the floor and your right knee should be above your right foot. Come down onto your mat on all fours, with your knees right under your hips. Now lower down onto your forearms with your elbows directly under your shoulders. Interlace your hands together. Draw your abdominals in, pulling your navel in towards spine. Slightly tuck your tailbone to keep your lower back long. Lie on back with hands straight, knees bent, and feet hips width apart on the floor. Inhale and left chest toward knees, bringing shoulders and head off the floor, maintaining a neutral pelvis. Check your form, your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged, and head in alignment. Pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Keep your hips down and run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. Alternate inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. Hope you enjoyed your video. Part 2 will be released very soon.